What's going on, everybody? It's just another day in the kitchen. It's another video, another review video with a twist. You know how we're keeping it coming. Before we get started, make sure you guys are following us on Instagram at We Don't Cook Food. All social media, We Don't Cook Food. We might cook you some sneakers, but we won't cook you food. But as you guys can see, this is going to be another Yeezy review. Not just any pair of Yeezys and not just any kind of sneaker review, of course. Before we get started, I want to just go ahead and run through this box with you guys, and I'm sorry if you guys hear those bugs out. As you know, we're out here cooking in Orlando. It's hot as F out here, 88 degrees. It's disgusting. But as always, you can use these videos as a legit check. I want to just go ahead and run through the box with you guys in case you have any discrepancies. You never know when you're ordering from places like StockX if they're gonna you know, hit you with some fake pairs. But let's go ahead and look at it. So as you guys can see, this is a size 9 I have, EPC code included. Just gonna go ahead and run through that, guys. So if you guys remember, these actually didn't release too long ago. It was June 7th 2019 they released, I think a day after the black reflectives came out. Somebody correct me if I'm wrong. Yeah, we won't speak about that drop though. But yeah, this was pretty successful. I'll throw a picture up. We cooked like 5 or 6 pairs. It was fantastic. Awesome shoes. Waited a little bit to do this review for you guys, but also because we have this special guest, a good friend of ours. So I'm gonna go ahead and send it that way, and if you want, stick around to the end just to get a more in-depth like little review of the sneakers. But yeah, let's get it going.
Yeah, I love these. These are awesome. One thing I disliked about the first Oreos, those were what, the V1s?
These right here?
Yeah, I mean, I like those and I have a pair, but one thing I disliked is just having that white stripe. I always hoped that they would come out with a pair that was all black. So right away when I saw these, that's when I knew I had to have them.
Hell yeah.
Just cause, you know, if I'm wearing a fresh black fit, black pants, black shirt, black hat, sometimes I just want all black shoes, you know, with no accents. So these 100%. Are definitely my favorites that they put out so far.
Hell yeah.
I always like the black ones and the real loud ones, like those fluorescent green ones. I want those real bad. Those are gonna be sick.
We'll be cooking those up next for you.
Nice, nice. I can't wait. Yeah, I'm stoked about these. Spray some Crep Protect on these and literally I'll probably just wear this across the world. My Oreos that I had, I wish there was a way that like shoes had a mileage counter in it, like a car, because I brought those to Japan, I brought those to Europe, I brought those to Thailand. Like I've been across the world in those, and whenever I'm traveling Europe and stuff, I'll walk like, you know, 5-10 miles a day just exploring the city. So if there was a way that you could see how many miles I put on those, dude, I probably put like more miles than half the cars on the road right now, just in those shoes.
That's so sick, yeah.
But they still stood up. The crazy thing is I wore those so much that like the bottoms, the ridges, started to get like flattened out.
Oh yeah, so worn.
But that just was like over a year and a half of just wearing it nonstop. So hopefully I'll be doing that with these. Well, I will be. Screw it, I'll wear it all the time. But yeah, I'm stoked, these are fresh.
Oh yeah. Alright guys, now if you did stick around to the end, I appreciate that. I did say I'd give you guys a more in-depth look. There you go. No, just kidding. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just pan over it a few times just so in case you guys didn't see it too clearly in the video. But as always, thank you guys for cooking with us. Thank you for supporting us. I've been a little inactive, you know, things happen in real life, but just want to make sure we always give you guys consistent quality. And I'd rather bring it always 110% instead of just, you know, posting for the sake of posting and it being trash, because we don't cook like that. So without further ado, thank you guys, and let us know in the comments if you dug this video.